You're ready to buy a home. Your first home, a larger home, a smaller home, but an exciting new adventure. You're so excited to get out there and start looking at houses, you may have overlooked some very important key first steps. Hi there, I'm Barbara McGrath, a realtor at Red and White Realty in Kitchener-Waterloo, Ontario. I post videos every Monday, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you're starting your home search, then I have some key tips for you. There's plenty to do and think about as you get ready to start your home search. But before you jump in and start looking at houses, let's get some very important first steps covered. Ensure your credit score is in good shape. A credit score can affect the amount you may be approved for and the interest rate you'll be able to negotiate, or even if you'll be approved for a mortgage. Your credit score is every bit as important as the amount you've saved for a down payment or your income. Whether you think your credit score is good or not, it's important to double check it and ensure no mistakes have been made that may cause problems later. If it's not where you want it, then you have time to begin to repair it. Better to start now than to be in the middle of buying a home and finding out you have a problem. As an aside, and a very important tip as well, once you've been approved for a mortgage, but before you close on the home, you want to be careful not to apply for new credit or make a large purchase, a car for instance. This will lower your credit score as well as increase your debt and may in fact make for an unhappy surprise when the mortgage lender does a check pre-close and changes their decision on your mortgage because your debt to income ratio has changed. Tip 2, double check your budget. There are 2 areas of thought you will want to work through. The first is your finances relative to the acquisition, that is the purchase of your new home. There are a number of expenses associated with home purchases over and above the down payment, which is usually 5% of the purchase price, such as lawyer fees, land transfer tax, title insurance, fire or property insurance, a portion of prepaid property taxes, utility bills, status certificate fee if you're buying a condo, moving costs, and post-moving costs such as utility hookup, redirecting mail, new appliances, tools, painting or decorating, cleaning supplies, window treatments, etc. Bear in mind if you're buying a new build, you'll also be paying HST on the purchase price. And if this is the case, then you will want to check Service Canada or Canada Revenue Agency websites for more details. For the land transfer tax amounts, there are so many calculators online that can help you determine the amount this will cost, as well as your lawyer or your real estate agent. The second is the ongoing cost and maintenance associated with running a home and keeping it in good repair. You'll want to have a sense of utilities, property taxes, fees if the home is a condo or part of an association. You'll want to incorporate these costs into your current budget, taking out current rent or mortgage payments, of course, to determine what the new budget may look like and how much you have available to make a monthly mortgage payment. I would also plan on keeping and building a repair fund, a building fund as it were, that you add to each month to handle the inevitable problems that always emerge with home ownership. Tip 3, talk to your bank or mortgage broker. If you have a mortgage broker or bank that you have a good relationship with, that's great. If not, friends, relatives, neighbors, your real estate agent, your lawyer may have recommendations. Interview several and go with the one that you feel will give you the service important to you. This will make the home buying process much less stressful. You want someone who will respond quickly to queries both from you and the mortgage underwriters reviewing your loan. Time is of the essence, and you want to know your mortgage broker will respond quickly on your behalf. When you're ready to look seriously at properties, make sure your mortgage broker provides a pre-approval letter to you from the lender. Be aware, however, that mortgage rates are only guaranteed for certain time periods. The pre-approval letter confirms that the lender has verified your information and that they are in principle willing to give you a mortgage of so many dollars. The in principle wording is the bank's out in case something changes between the issuing of the letter and the actual loan application submitted when you have an offer in hand, and if there's something very wrong with the property. Now you're ready to begin your home search. Working with your realtor, you can determine the size, style of home that will work for your family and your budget, and which neighborhood will be best suited for your family. And with these key tips covered off, you'll be ready to get out and start viewing homes, and you'll find the experience a lot less stressful. If you have comments or questions, please ask or comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and please subscribe. Until next time, take care.